Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to input. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is have an input field. I got mine here, so this is what you're going to want to do. You're just going to want to go down here to text input, and you can mess with it as much as you like, right? And the same thing you're going to need is a piece of text. It can say whatever you want it to say, like, for my example, I'm just going to put no name given, and I'm just going to mess around with it a little bit, 25 and C2. Alright, there. I'll just put it down there. Alright, and what you're going to want to do is make a note of what you've named it. For this I've named it CName, as you can see just by hovering over it. And now I'm going to go into my code and I'm going to create a new event, and we don't need a condition. We're going to want to press on the name of the text you just created, which in my case is C2. You're going to want to go and modify the text, set to, and you're just going to want to press out, and then and remember the name from before. You just put CName. That's why I chose it to be. And you've got to put a capital for text. As you can see, if I press preview and I put in my city name, I will put in, let's say, Glasgow. See, it's working.